Hello everyone, I am Kark, and in this video, we're going to explore the three core human values like respect for the elders, forgiveness, and peace, which are essential for fostering understanding, compassion, and harmony, not just in our lives, but also in the communities. Respecting our elders is a timeless value that holds immense significance in our lives. It is a way to acknowledge the wisdom, experience, and contributions of those who came before us. We can demonstrate our respect for elders by listening attentively to their stories, seeking their advice, and showing kindness and gratitude. Through these actions, we honor their unique perspectives and create a culture of intergenerational connection and appreciation. Forgiving others is a powerful act of compassion and healing. It allows us to let go of the resentment and move forward with a lighter heart. To demonstrate forgiveness, we should strive to empathize with others, seek understanding, and let go of grudges. It involves embracing empathy, practicing open communication, and offering second chances. By choosing forgiveness, we foster harmony, build stronger relationships, and create a more compassionate world. And finally, peace is the cornerstone of humanity, a state of harmony that transcends borders and unites us all. To demonstrate peace, we must cultivate empathy, practice active listening, and promote understanding. It involves resolving conflicts through peaceful dialogue, embracing diversity, and treating others with kindness and respect. By fostering a culture of peace, we create an environment where cooperation, justice, and compassion thrive. Let us strive to be ambassadors of peace, spreading its transformative power to create a world where harmony and understanding prevail.
Thanks for watching.